Delhi-based Vektas Technologies has successfully demonstrated its swarm drones to the Indian Army. SMPP Limited has secured an additional order for 10,000 bulletproof jackets, while progressing with the on-time execution of an earlier order for 40,000 bulletproof jackets for India's paramilitary forces. Para's Defence has secured an 80 crore rupees contract from the DRDO to develop a high-precision optical system for air defence applications. France's Dassault Aviation has awarded a long-term contract to Bangalore-based Hical Technologies to supply products for critical aircraft control system applications on Rafale fighter jets. Mumbai-based ideaForge has launched a specialized UAV training program for NATO personnel in the United States, becoming the first Indian company to conduct training at the National Test Pilot School. Satellite imagery shows that the building struck by India during the May 2025 conflict with Pakistan at the Murid Airbase has now been demolished, suggesting the strike caused deeper structural damage than initially assessed, leaving the facility beyond repair. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has unveiled the Defense Forces Vision 2047, outlining a strategic roadmap to make the Indian Defense Forces future-ready. Bangalore-based NewSpace Research and Technologies is testing its 1,000 km range Sheshnag loitering munition from a vehicle-mounted launch platform. The trials are focused on validating rapid deployment, launch stability, and operational flexibility, allowing the Kami-kaze drone to be deployed quickly from ground vehicles for precision strike missions on the battlefield. Indonesia's Defense Ministry spokesperson has said that Indonesia has entered into an agreement with India to procure Brahmos missiles, while discussions in 2023 indicated a deal worth between $200 million and $350 million. Indonesia has not confirmed the final value of the contract. After India expressed formal interest in France's future combat air system, industry sources have said that India's potential participation in the European future combat air system is increasingly seen as a technological accelerator for the AMCA program, as FCAS technologies could complement the AMCA by enabling access to advanced sixth-generation capabilities. Technologies such as manned-unmanned teaming, artificial intelligence-enabled data management, advanced radar-absorbent materials, and the smart sensor-embedded aircraft surfaces could influence the AMCA Mark II design, and the FCAS-derived technologies could push AMCA Mark II toward a sixth-generation Lite capability. The Indian Navy is targeting around 80% indigenous content at the start of the Project 76 next-generation indigenous conventional submarine program, with indigenization potentially reaching 90 to 95% in later batches, reducing dependence on foreign suppliers. The Project 76 is planned as a new class of 2,500-ton diesel-electric submarines, with about 12 submarines expected over roughly 15 years. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.